Alright, today we are unboxing the BLUETTI AC60. This is a 600 watt, 403 watt hour portable power station. And let's see what it has in it as I fight packaging. Has realistic 4 ways to charge, but we'll see. All right. All right. We're really gonna turn this upside. Jeez. Louise. Gotta start reviewing phone batteries again. Alright, box 1. On AC60 portable power station, 120 volt version. It also claims to charge from 0 to 100 in 1 hour by charging at 600. Lost something. Alright, I got a certificate. Probably gotta check, make sure this is recording. Ah, yes. Alright, got a certificate. Got manuals. Got a box of standard power cord. Solar power adapter. Car power adapter. I believe we've got a fuse and a screw in here. Not sure what the fuse and screw are for. We'll find out in a minute. Alright. Alright, we have one big honking battery here. By the way, this is not as heavy as it looks. I am just extremely weak right now. Oh, readers on the site probably heard me complaining. Alright. Something fell off my feet. Sell it to pack. I don't think there's anything left in the box. Alright, what do we have here? Oh wow, got a wireless output 15 watt charger there. I can probably demonstrate that with one of my kids' phones. Okay, handle, it is plastic here, it's rubberized right here. Probably cool. It's rubbered and texturized. I don't know. It's got a nice grip. Still recording? Yes. Alright. Sorry, I've had a bunch of problems with this phone lately. It's got rubber feet, so turning it is difficult. Alright, what is this? I don't know. It's screaming peel me. By the way, the knocking is not this. Don't know what this is. Is this a light? Okay. Do not know. I think maybe. Alright, let's see. What do we got here? On? Oh, that's pretty. Let's see how. Alright, I'm gonna have to definitely bring this up closer. And zoom in. Alright, so we've got 0 input, 46%, 44.1 hours remaining of sitting here doing nothing. No output. Let me grab a phone. Let me figure out where my kids put their phones. Let's see if that wireless charging works well. Alright. One phone. May have to turn this on. Not seeing it on right now. Alright, what do we got? DC, AC, charge. Oh, there it goes. Had to hit DC button to get it working. Alright, so it is charging that phone. That phone's already charged, so this isn't going to be much of a demonstration, but let's see. Do we have a DC out? This may or may not. Are you USB out? Alright, I can't read anything. Blind right now and my light is missing. Alright, this is USB out 100. Alright, so it is currently charging this at 89 watts. 89, 87, 86, 89. So let's say 90 watts. I'm not going to put that against the BLUETTI. I'm going to put that against this cable. So we're going to get anywhere between a little under 100 watts. Never gotten it better on that cable. Alright, what else do we have? We have two AC outputs. We've got one 100 watt AC, a USB A 5 volt 3 amp, a USB A 5. I'm sorry. What is that? I'm doing this wrong. Alright, DC. Car audio. I'm in a car power style. 10 amp, 100 watts, 3 amp, USB A right here. It's the USB C. And we have another USB A, 3 amp. Alright, at the moment, let me get it to display. Let me just press the power button again. Yeah. Alright, we're currently outputting 88 watts. There's probably nothing going to the phone up there because it's completely charged. But alright, so 88 watts here. On the side of this. Jeez. Once again, it's because I'm weak. I wonder if the light works now. Alright, light works now. Is that visible? No. Of course not. No. Alright, light works. Oh, it's brighter. It's flashing. And it's off. Alright. On the side, what do we have? We have the inputs. We got your standard computer plug AC input, a DC 12 volt. I think that's for lead acid batteries. We have a circuit protector, which I'm assuming is what that fuse is for. And then we have, I don't know what that is. Showing my ignorance here. Alright, on the other side, what do we got? Don't know. Gotta look up in the manual. Because I got no clue. Those. What are they? Alright, I have 3 things on this I don't know. Number 14. 14 is the battery expansion port. You can plug other batteries into that, which we do not have. And then the one that I couldn't figure out over there, number 7, was a grounding pole. Alright, so you use a grounding screw. That's what the screw is for there. Alright. That is the BLUETTI AC60 600 watt. Only thing. Let's see, where are we at? Are we still recording? Yay! Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and see if it will charge while it's charging. Which it should. I've never run across one of these that doesn't. I've got my kilowatt back here, which is on AC input. And what does the kilowatt say it's pulling? Kilowatt says it is pulling it keeps going up. 250. Yeah, same as this. 253 on the 54 on the kilowatt, 255 here, 253 on the kilowatt, 257, 255 on the kilowatt, 255 there. Alright, so it says it's going to charge in 1.3 hours from 42%. It is charging at roughly half the speed it claims it can. Let's turn it off, or turn DC off, see if it charges any faster. Still not charging faster. If I turn it off. Alright, what is the kilowatt saying? The kilowatt is saying 261. Alright, so I guess we have something to figure out. Yeah, 260 off the wall outlet at 50%. So that says it's going to take over an hour to charge. That is one thing I need to. That was pretty fast. Maybe I have to hold you longer. I don't know. Alright, so the fast charging I gotta figure out. It's currently charging at 261 watts, which means it will be at the fastest you can fill this up is in 2.5 hours. It says it should be able to do it under 1. I'll read the manual. Alright.